Welcome back to the vlog. It is your host Rob with I-25 Kia. We're here today and I'm giving you a behind the scenes look at how we take our photos for all of the Facebook marketing campaigns. So we've got 4 Kia vehicles right now that have been delivered to Fort Collins, and we're gonna set them up in front of all these lights and take some pictures. But I do have a special guest with me today. I couldn't do this alone because I have to operate cameras, we have to move cars, and I think I'm good with cameras, but this guy's really good with cameras.
I'm Caleb.
He's a great photographer out of Greeley, videographer too. Talented man.
We making stuff.
All right, so we're getting all of our angles correct. We're getting all the gear properly equipped. So I'm thinking we're gonna take the car and put it right there. All right, let's move some cars.
Let's see, yeah. That's looking good.
So many lights.
Our idea for taking photos with Christmas lights is actually a little tricky, but luckily Fort Collins is very festive, and every November 1st they turn on all of their holiday lights until next year. So if you're looking for a beautiful night out on the town, come down to Fort Collins, check out Old Town. Really quite beautiful. When's the earliest to put up Christmas lights?
I don't put anything up Christmas until Thanksgiving's done.
Same.
Gotta let the turkey have its turn.
There's too much traffic here, so we're gonna move to a new location. Let's go. Ooh, I've made it to my new location. I gotta point out this other Kia I just found. So I found a very festive soul. It's got reindeer antlers.
I think we can pull off something nice here.
So I picked this new location. I mean, it still has all the lights, but the reason I decided to pick this spot is because of that. Now on to our next location. It is very nice having all these fully loaded Kias with us because it is freezing. And I've got a heated steering wheel and heated seats. Sorry, I know it's really dark, but I did just want to show off. There's so many Kias right now at my apartment. I mean, look at this. We got the Sportage. We got the Soul. We got Caleb raving, and then we've got the Forte S. It's a lot of Kias. Right now I'm in the 2019 Kia Soul Exclaim. I did just find a couple Christmas lights, so let's go get that. I'm gonna pass this off to Caleb.
Yay! Howdy. Let's try some lights.
I thought those are whack. Whack. This reminds me of going on Christmas light expeditions with my parents, but now my parents have been replaced with Caleb.
I don't know if I'm a good substitute.
Well, you're certainly not doing a great job of helping me find Christmas lights.
There's no Christmas lights!
This is about to be a rogue operation because we might freak somebody out because this is their house.
But they have a beautiful tree in their front yard that's all lit up.
It is beautiful. So,
and we're gonna use it.
So there's the tree. All right, let's do this. It's weird doing a vlog at night. And the sky looks scary, man. It looks like a storm's coming in. Look at it. Well, yeah, there is a storm coming in. You see what us guys go through just to get you guys content. I don't want to hear any complaining from anybody. I'm risking my life. It is getting cold. This episode of the vlog became a lot creepier and spookier than I expected. All right, so here are the technical aspects of the behind the scenes photo shoot. So we're on 30-second exposure.
I'm on 15-second exposure.
We're on a 15-second exposure, meaning that if I sweep this light across this car, then we'll get it illuminated. So let's try it out.
This is 1%.
So this is 1%. Now we're at 100. All right. So if I just sweep this across the car, 3, 2, 1. We got the shot. We got the shot. We did really well. That was a success.
Now we just gotta drive them back to the studio and we're pretty much wrapped up this shoot.
So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions about any of these vehicles that I-25 Kia has to offer, make sure to go talk to the car experts and make sure to like and subscribe and make sure to put up those Christmas lights, and we'll catch you on the next round. Thanks for all your help, Caleb.
Yeah!
Later, guys. but we also don't want to freak out the neighborhood, so we gotta do this quick and efficient.